Hey y'all, and welcome back. In today's video, we're making a strawberry vinaigrette. We're going to use the tops from our strawberries, and we're going to make ourselves a vinaigrette. We're not going to let them go to waste. We've been doing videos on how to save money and be frugal on a budget. Well, these little things right here are gems. Don't throw them away. You'll be amazed at what kind of salad dressing you can make by just using the tops off of your strawberries. We're going to start by adding them to a mason jar. I'm going to fill my mason jar as full as my strawberry tops will go. Probably about 3/4 of a way of my quart mason jar. And you can also do blueberries this way and raspberries. Now to make the vinaigrette dressing, you can use apple cider vinegar. This is the Bragg's brand. You can use that if you want to use some more expensive, or you can just use white distilled vinegar and go a little bit more on the frugal side. And fill your mason jar with your white vinegar or your apple cider vinegar, whichever you choose, all the way to the top. And then the strawberries are going to start infusing your vinegar. And your vinegar is going to turn into like a red strawberry vinaigrette with a real sweet taste to it, with just a little tanginess. And you don't have to add sugar. Some people do, but the strawberries, in my opinion, have enough sugar in them to just do the vinegar and the strawberries. It comes out with a sweet taste and a little tangy. So I made with these tops 1 quart jar of vinaigrette strawberry dressing. Now my strawberries that I have cut up, I'm going to take and I'm going to place them in a mason jar also. Keeping your strawberries in a mason jar will help keep them fresher longer. You'll see there's a big difference keeping your fruit in a mason jar compared to just keeping it in the containers it comes in. I've already washed my strawberries in a vinegar bath, cut them up, and got them ready to go for smoothies, for eating strawberries, or whatever you choose to do with your strawberries. And if you decided to put them in muffins or something like that, you could just dice them up a little bit smaller. But storing these in a mason jar will keep these strawberries for around 2 weeks. Now the strawberry vinaigrette dressing, I will let sit for around 2 to 3 days. And after around the 3rd day, I'll take the strawberries out and we'll have ourselves a vinaigrette strawberry dressing. If you like our video on this strawberry vinaigrette dressing, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.